On today's episode on WarpDriveM, I'm going to show you how to code all the light error on your BMW after you replaced LED lights instead of normal lamps. If you replaced your original angel lights that are looking something like this with LEDs like this, and you have an error for that, and I'm going to show you now the error. Every time you put the key and ignition on, we'll have an error for the lights. See that? It says angel lights right and left are not working. But once again, if we go out, the lights are working because this one are LEDs, and I'm going to show you how to code this out. And we have in here as well the error for the lights right and left, and this one will go out when you put the lights on. See that? Are gone because the lights are working, but this car is going to check all the lights for how much current is going to draw, and that's why it's throwing this error. So now let's code this error. In order to code this error, we are going to use Carly app. This is an adapter that everyone can buy, and I'm going to show you with this one because it's way easier. I can show you with NCS Expert, but it's a little bit complicated, and I'm pretty sure that this is the easiest method. So we have to plug this in OBD. This is where the port is located. Take this out, plug that in. You can start the car, or you can let just the ignition on. Once again, the errors are here. Now open your app, Carly app, select your car first in here. You can add a new car. We have the car in here. We are going to hit connect now. We have to connect with the adapter which is plugged in there. We have to turn the lights off, everything electrical off, because we need the current. Okay, we go directly to coding. It's going to check all the modules that can be coded on the car. These are the steps for almost every BMW. Okay, we have 7 computers that we can code. Okay, and after that we have to go to light module, and the name is going to differ from model to model, from 3 series to 5 series to 7 series and stuff like that. You select the module, you select read module. It's going to make a backup with all the settings as is now, and you can use this backup to put everything back to stock. Okay, we have a backup. Okay, we are going to select, I know everything is in German. You can scroll till you find your options, and in German, Corona ring is the name for the angel eyes. We have 1 from 2 and 2 from 2, and this is tension, test tension. It's on both lights, and now we are going to select off 1, and the second one off as well. This is just the test for how much current is going to draw the lights. We've coded that. We are going to say code. Just a warning, normal warning. You have to accept that. And now we are going to code this. And maybe you will see in the car, because it's coding the light module, that all the lights are going to dim or going out. Oh, the coding was successful. You have to turn the ignition off. Take the key out. Lock the car, but the door is open. Oops, just a second. Now lock the car, wait 5 seconds. Okay, unlock, put the key in the ignition, ignition on, hit here OK, and now we don't have any kind of warning. We can wait as much as we can, as we want, but we won't have any kind of warning now. So it's out. And now let's put the angel eyes. And here it says the lights, parking lights are on, because are on. And let's check outside now. The lights are working perfect. Okay, we can put the lights off, start the car. Oh, we need a key for that. Ignition. And now, let's see. No warning lights. Perfect! So, job done. With all of that being said and done, I think we are at the end of the video. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.